Good afternoon everybody, welcome back to the channel, Motorhome and Fun. As you know, we're on day one at Brixham of our 4 nights here. We're all nicely set up now. We've done a little arrival vlog. We're trying to get that uploaded now. We've got some decent internet speed, so we're heading out this afternoon now, see if we can find the beach for Sky. So come with us on our little walk this afternoon and hope you enjoy it. We'll see you all soon. Bye for now. Right, we're leaving the site via this pathway, and I think we're going to take a left-hand turn, looking at Google Maps, and basically head straight down, I believe. Well, I've just put the roll-out canopy out on the motorhome just as we left. A little bit of a gamble. The wind is a bit intermittent. 1 minute it's no wind, next minute it's gusting, so we'll see what it's like once we get back, and if we take it down, we do. Right, I found this little alleyway across the road from when we came in this morning. Not sure exactly where it's taking us, but I've got a rough idea it's in the right direction, so we'll soon see. Well, I think we're in the right direction. I think that's what they call St Mary's Bay down there. I can see a little bit of a beachy area, so we're going to see if we can head down there. A lovely blue sea compared to Breen. So as you can see, we're following this little bit of a coastal footpath, and this will be Sky's little afternoon. Well, we've got both drones with us this afternoon as well. We did have a drone flight over the site when we got here, so we've got that video in the bag as well. It's turned into a quite nice sunny afternoon now. Well, that's what it is down there. Somehow we've got to try and get there if there's any steps, but how lovely does that water? It looks very tempting even for myself and that, so let's go and see. Well, we're still heading some way. Haven't found a point to get down to it yet, and we seem to be going higher and out of the way. Well, there's some views back through the trees and that. As I say, where do we get to it? Well, it looks glorious, but I cannot see a way to get down there yet. There's some people in the water, so it must be possible. Right, I just asked somebody and they said we're on the right way. Right, I think somebody's going to get out of breath coming back. I just asked a lady and gentleman, and they were just walking the coastline, and they said there's some people coming up and they look knackered, they said, so we'll see. Right, what we got, a little viewpoint here, a little seat. Well, I think we got the steps coming up, but it does look very glorious and picturesque. Hello there. Come on, Sky. Right, we found some steps. Well, if we only do this once on this trip, I'm happy. Right, almost there. It's only a couple of minutes that's took. I don't know whether the tide's coming in or not though. Oh. There we go. Right, we've got the ball out. Right, I have been told that the tide is incoming at the moment, but we've possibly got an hour. So we'll just have a little wander about, have a little fly. What could you ask for better than this, everybody? It was about 0.9 of a mile from the campsite. This took us 25 minutes, stopping and starting. Just have a look around. Stunning. Well, it's the clearest seawater I've seen since we're in Anglesey, possibly. Why can't other parts of the country be as clean as this? There you go, one happy girl. Go and get it. Go and get it. Well, she's not too certain to pull to start with because she doesn't know the depth of the water, I think, putting her feet down. Go and get it. Sky, you lost it now. Go and get your ball. Go and get your ball. Go and get it. Well, it is coming in. We'll give it 20 minutes and we'll head back. We might get wet feet, but go on then, go and get it. Sky, go and get the ball. Finally she gets it. She does. Find a poo bag. Right. Well, I can't imagine it being like this last night. It was so rough in Somerset. Who knows? It's like a mill pond out there though. Well, we'll probably have one more quick fly, everybody, and I think we will head back. You can see we're getting a little bit narrower with the water. Right, we walked one end to the other, so it is time to go back now. We are chasing the tides coming in. I'm happy, Sky's happy. I've had 2 drone flights. We're not getting cut off yet. I think we've got a good hour or so. Sky, come on, get the ball. Come on. one last spin round before we climb up the steps. Nobody's put the chairlift in for us today. Right, up we go. Right, we made it up the other steps. We've got these planks, decking steps to go up next. Making steady progress. Right everybody, I'm going to conclude this little video vlog while we've got this lovely stunning scenery and that. So it's a thank you from me and it's a thank you from Sky, and please do give me a like, a comment and a subscribe, and we'll see you all tomorrow. Bye for now.